After priming and setting the eyes, begin by applying a matte, cool teal shade above the crease. This is our transition shade. Next, I'm placing a matte cobalt blue on top of that, but I'm not bringing it up quite as far towards the brow. Blend with a clean, fluffy brush. Deepen the crease with a matte deep blue. Blend everything together. Use a shader brush to pack a frosted medium blue onto the outer half of the lid. Go back in with the dark blue to deepen the outer V. Blend out the edges. Repeat this process until satisfied. Use a small, flat brush and some concealer to cut the crease. Because I have slightly hooded eyes, I like to occasionally look up, allowing the concealer to transfer, and use that as a guideline. This will prevent any unintentional transferring later on. Before the concealer has a chance to crease, I'm setting it with a colorless powder. You could also use a nude eyeshadow. First, I'm using my finger to press the majority of the metallic silver onto the lid, then switching to a wet brush for precision along the crease. I wanted to stick to one palette today, but the silver in this wasn't pigmented enough. Use a cool, metallic, bright blue to create a gradient effect. Go back in with that cobalt blue on a small pencil brush to add more contrast to the crease. Lightly blend upward. Clean up any fallout and apply your usual facial routine. Sweep the teal shade all along the lower lash line. And as always, blend. Concentrating right at the base of your lashes, apply the cobalt blue. Blend. Deepen the outer third of the lash line with the dark blue. Be sure to connect everything to the upper lash line. Blend one last time. Line the waterline with a blue eyeliner. Highlight the brow bone and inner corner with a light glittery silver. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Thanks for watching!